Welcome to the future of robotics and brain gym. The last 3 days has been an exciting journey being done for the first time in India and maybe first time in the world too. This is a great event and we will continue this every year and make it bigger and more complicated for the children. Thank you all for participating and encouraging the next generation of innovators at Indian Robotics League and Brain Gym Quiz. Thank you students coming from Coimbatore, Kadalur, Trichy, Tirunelveli, Tuticorin, Pondicherry, Bangalore and Chennai. Today, every participant is a winner at IRL and Brain Gym Quiz. Every student is a winner. Give them all a big hand of encouragement, parents especially. Let's give a big round of applause for these young kids. All these young kids from grade 4 to grade 11 showed extreme competition. Brilliant, they did a big job. Especially the younger children in the T3 challenge, I just saw them. They were able to program the robot so fast and both the robots reached in exactly the exact place. I mean, I don't think I can ever be able to match them. They'll be able to beat me in this competition very easily, though I am from IIT Madras. And a big thanks also to our sponsors who have supported us enormously and also for their encouragement. A special thanks to Vasan Eye Care, Dr. Arun. A special thanks to Bharat University, Shriram Capital, TAFE, TCS, Cognizant, Times of India, Whitman Battenfield, and EduTech, who are part of the LEGO education. And a big thanks to all our guests of honor who have come here, especially to encourage each one of you. And you should see everyone is a very busy person, and all of them are here assembled so that they can hand over the gifts to these young children and give them a good encouragement. My special thanks to Krishnamachari Srikanth, Mr. Nainan Thariyan, Mr. C.K. Ranganathan, Mr. Vicky Chandok, Mr. Nandakumar, Mr. Thomas Simon, Arman Ibrahim, Mr. Ravi, Mr. Sampath, Professor Mahesh, and Dr. Tuyamani from Bharat University. I guess he's on the way. And a special thanks to my alma mater, IIT Madras, who have given me enormous amount of support always, and we thank them for giving us such a great venue. We couldn't have had a better venue than this for the Indian Robotics League. Special thanks to IIT. And of course, the entire team of Showspace, Fifth Estate, IRCRA, and Parampriti, our website company, all of them have worked tirelessly for the last 3 months to make this event a big success. You don't know the amount of effort they have taken, and also Hanmer, our PR agency, for the amount of effort they have taken to make this a big success and to spread the good word about the Indian Robotics League and the Brain Gym Quiz. And I would be failing in my duty if I don't thank my team, the team of students, teachers, trainers, and staff. Each one of the sub-staff also from robotics, from Meritus Mindworks, from Bala Vidya Mandir, and BVM Global Schools. Thank you all for your support, and I welcome all of you to this award.